So now let's just talk about removing the sound from the clip. So if I click on this clip, you will just see the red icon on both the video part and the sound part. Now if I want to delete the sound part, I just want the video part. Maybe I just don't want the sound, or I want to add some another sound or music. Just have to right click and just click on this option. This is called the link clips, and it will just unlink the clips. Now you can just see I can just select the sound part separately and the video part separately. So for deleting sound part, basically you just have to delete it, right click and delete selected. The sound will be deleted and there will be no sound. If you play, it will just be the video. So yeah, that was it, removing sound from any clip. Now if you want to increase the intensity of the sound, you can just do one thing. For proper understanding, you can just look at this option. You can just zoom it or zoom out from here, and I have just zoomed in. So when you will just go on this sound part, you will find this arrow like this, and what you have to do is just double click and just remove, or you can just say decrease the intensity of the sound like this. You can just decrease or increase the intensity of the sound, and I will show you just how it works.